over the weekend, Donald Trump announced proudly that we are sending our great hospital ship over to Greenland to take care of all the sick people who are not being treated by their country, which is what Trump said. To which the Prime Minister of Greenland, who completely humiliated Donald Trump, said, "It's going to be a no thank you from here." He then said that our healthcare system is a deliberate choice, publicly funded, whereas the U.S., it costs money to go to the doctor. He then added that Greenland remained open to cooperation, but wanted Washington to pursue dialogue rather than random outbursts on social media. In other words, thank you for the offer of the hospital ship. We literally don't need it because we have universal health care and there's no epidemic or pandemic in Greenland or in Denmark or really anywhere in Europe. So we're not even sure why you're saying you're going to send this here. But thanks, but no thanks. Why don't you work on the horrible healthcare system you guys have in the United States? Now, I think it's pretty obvious to everyone why Donald Trump did this performative thing. Trump is trying to be a good daddy to Greenland because he wants Greenland. So he's trying to show compassion. He's trying to act like I'm taking care of the people, but your government is not taking care of you at all, and you're all dying of these illnesses. But here's the thing. You can hoodwink people in the United States all day, every day. We're pretty dumb. Collectively, we're very dumb. Individually, we're very smart. Yeah, I use that quote from Men in Black all the time. But you put us, individual is smart. People are dumb. So we may think that, oh my God, Greenland rejected this. They're just going to let all their people die. They're all sick and nobody's helping them. But over in Greenland, they're just going about their days not sick. They don't know why Trump would even offer this to begin with. There's no shortage of doctors. There's no shortages of hospitals. There's not people dying in the streets of pneumonia. They don't need the hospital ship, not because they're too proud to accept help, but because they literally don't need it. But Americans may not understand that. Other countries who are not paying attention may not understand that either. So those other countries that see Trump's very generous and kind offer without fully understanding that there's no problem may also be like, well, why isn't Greenland? Greenland, Trump is trying to save you. He's trying to protect you. But nope, he's not. He is grandstanding on something that we ought not be even grandstanding on, because when it comes to healthcare, we're among the worst in the industrialized world. Honestly, threatening to send a hospital ship over to Greenland is a threat. It's not an offer of help. It's like, if you guys don't shape up, you're going to get some U.S. healthcare. All right, then you'll be sorry. And they will. But yeah, it's a threat, not an offer of help. Thanks for watching, and if you are not already subscribed to the channel, please do so, and do not forget to like and comment and share widely among your friends.